Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the absolute best and fastest methods to unlock the ultra-rare Mazda MX-5 Miata Forza edition in Forza Horizon 6. This exclusive wide-body version is an absolute drift beast, featuring custom performance perks and a unique visual style that sets it far apart from the standard showroom model. To add this legendary car to your garage right away, your first step is to focus heavily on your Horizon Festival playlist. This specific Forza Edition vehicle is frequently featured as a high-tier reward for completing specific seasonal Drift Zone championships or hitting major point milestones during the active festival week. If you happen to miss the live event window, do not panic, because you can immediately head over to the in-game auction house and search for listings using the precise vehicle filters. Many players list their duplicates here, so keep refreshing the page to snag a buyout bargain. Additionally, make sure to consistently level up your player profile and complete drift accolades, because this car is permanently included in the premium wheel spin prize pool, giving you a passive chance to unlock it completely free. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.